this video, I'm going to show you how to create Discord server roles. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, if you want to create Discord server role or roles, what you're going to do now, you're going to click on here, right? You're going to click on this server settings here. Then you're going to see these roles, right? So you can come on here, you click the create role. So I want to create the founder's role because I'm the owner of this server, right? I'll come on here, I'll click on founder. Then once I'm done, I'll select an image. It's usually yellow, right? So once I'm done, I'm going to click on the save image, on the save changes. Then I'm going to go back. I'll right click my mouse. You can see the row. I got the founder row already. I can just put it in my profile, right? So yeah, I think I got the row. So you can see this is the founder row right here. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.